Hey, so SAP SuccessFactors has embedded some tutorials inside of the SuccessFactors application, and these are available to you free of charge. Today, we're going to go through how to set these up and to let you see what these look like. We'll do that next. Okay, so as background for those of you that are not familiar, SAP bought a company called WalkMe and they closed on this last fall. And what WalkMe is a platform that builds guided procedures or guided tours into existing digital platforms. And when SAP did this, the idea is that it allows customers to build out procedures and maybe put job aids directly into their solutions, which is, of course, a really compelling use case for customers. To help customers get started, SuccessFactors actually has embedded WalkMe guided tours inside of the solution. And as of the latest release, at the time I'm recording this, the first half 2025 release has been out. The guided tours that are available that SAP has provided are the list that we see here below. Now, I'm not going to go through the things that are not Employee Central related, but I will show a few of these Employee Central related items so that you can see what is available. So we're going to go through and look at the org chart, explore the company org chart item. We are going to skip over the administrator guided procedures because to me that those are not nearly as value added as the end user items. So we will go through though and look at get to know your public profile, get to know your full profile as an end user, and then last but not least is up here you will see understand your compensation. So again, these are the delivered items as of the first release of 2025. More may be coming. First off, I want to show you how easy it is to enable these processes. So all you have to do is type in configure data digital adoption platforms, come in here, click enable WalkMe, and then you have two options here. You have SuccessFactors managed, and this gets you the delivered content, but then also there is the customer managed version. And of course, the customer managed version is where you're going to be able to build out your own. And of course, that is going to have a license cost associated with this. But this, of course, the idea that SuccessFactors has is they're going to get you very interested in understand and showing the value of what the WalkMe solution can allow you to do by showing you and delivering the SuccessFactors managed content. And then you can, as a customer, come in later and decide to upgrade to a customer manage where it's not just take it or leave it. You can add to and revise the content. So with that said, now I want to go in and let's actually look at some of the end user content that I mentioned. Okay, so I'm in now as John Smith, and I am going to look at some of this content. So the WalkMe content is all available via this question mark here at the top. So whatever the context, whatever page I'm on, if there is some content, you would be able to see it from here. So let's first look at getting to know your public profile. So I'm going to click on that. And you will see when I do that, it jumps to the public profile. So you can see all the different sections to the new public profile. And then by clicking around, you will see that it's going to take you to the different sections and explain to you what the options are that are available to you. So you've seen this probably in a lot of web functions. So that is just a nice, easy way for you to get acquainted with some of the functionality. Now let's look at the full profile. So again, same kind of thing it takes you directly into your full profile, but then it just shows you how to get around in your profile. Okay, so next up, let's look at the org chart. So we're going to move to the company org chart. You can see here it's taking you to the org chart and letting you and it's explained to you how the org chart works and some of the configuration available as well. Lastly, and certainly not least, we're going to go into our employee file and show the compensation explanation. So you can see here, I click on the understand your compensation. You click on show me, and it will take me through different aspects of how my compensation works. So that's it. So yes, what do we have here? What we have here, is it basic? Yes. Is it possibly useful? Yes. Now, one key limitation that I want to make sure we're clear on here is that as of May 2025, the only language that's supported is US English. So I'm sure more languages will be coming as part of the standard. And of course, if you upgrade to a customer managed WalkMe, you would be able to have more languages as well. But again, for those of you that are US based and you just want the ability to provide some simple knowledge to your employees as they're getting into success factors for the first time, this is something for you to consider. And of course, it is a good jumping off point in case at some point you want to get in and provide more guided procedures and deepen your relationship with WalkMe through some licensing. So that's it. Thank you very much.